The job we're talking is Clifton Forge to Goshen. It's an insulator changeout on an old lattice tower configuration. The only way we could get into a lot of these structures, being in the national forest and near trout streams, were ATVs or helicopter. Just the general area that you're working in over there is pretty challenging in itself, so hence is why we use the helicopter on a lot of this.
Dominion reached out to the L.A. Myers Rural Haul team. They had a couple of tight outage windows that they needed to get these insulators changed out in, so we helped them out with that.
The long lining, not everybody's built for that kind of work. You know, it's a whole different atmosphere when you're 100 feet under a helicopter. And it's armless towers, so that puts a challenge on the project in itself as far as rigging to change out these insulators. You have to use a lot of what we call push poles, keep the wire from coming into the structure when you break the load on it. Dominion knows if they call on us to do something like this, we're going to get it done on time and safely.
They trust us to do jobs like this that come up quick.
We only had a 5-week outage, which we're going to finish it in 4 weeks. So, yeah, it's been a really good project.